Hi, friends. Good day, and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today, I'm very excited to bring to you another special formula which has just been recently released by Microsoft called Vstack. And this is going to be new and very exciting because I do see a lot of use cases for it, and I'm going to be sharing just one of the many cases that may be applicable for it. So we'll go ahead and get started here. And what I have here on my file is a data set of cookie sales or bakery sales for each of the for each location over here. So I have them in 4 locations: Bangalore, Chennai, New York, Los Angeles, right? Now, just to kind of showcase to you the example and difference in this, I have kept Los Angeles data as raw data, which is not in a table format over here, whereas the data in Bangalore, Chennai, or the other tabs is really in a table. So what you can see is you'll also see out here that this at the moment you select into this cell, the table design does open up over here. So now what is the use case of a VStack, right? Now consider a situation where you have all of this data coming in from different sources and you would like to consolidate them and have one single view of it all. This is where VStack comes into play. So if I would like to see all of my data from different tabs into one place and have it auto update as we go through as well. I think that's where it really comes in handy. Typical way today would have been to kind of copy, paste into a different tab and consolidate, but that is manual and prone to error. So we're going to see how to use the VStack, right? It's very simple actually, right? You go equal to VStack, and I'm going to start selecting the data set I would like to have included. So I'm going to come here, select, and as you see, it's table 1. I'm going to put comma, table 2, comma, New York is here, 3, and Los Angeles as well, right? As you see, because Los Angeles is not in a table, it has selected the absolute cell range in here and is going with it. That's all I have to, and I click enter, and there you go, right? You have all of the data getting populated one below the other in this consolidation sheet. Now VStack is nothing else but vertical stack, so it's stacking your data one over the other vertically in here. We're going to expand this a little further and say we have more information coming in and a new cell has to be added. So just going to go this Bangalore, for instance, and look at the beauty of this, right? I come back to the other tab and I have this data already getting populated all over again. Yeah. Now, if I were to do the same thing in the Los Angeles tab over here, you will notice that it is not updating because we it's not in a table, and so the cell range is restricted to the last row, which is on row 6 over here. Uh, Same way, if I would like to get this data deleted, over here there is some data error which has come in, and I want to delete it. Um, this is I'm gonna just delete this out here, and you come back to this tab over here, and you see that this is also gone. So it is a very neat function, pretty handy, tricky to use. Uh, I, when you want to kind of consolidate multiple sources of data into one view, I think this will be a very good way to go about it. Well, I do hope you found this useful, and that's it for today. Thank you and take care.